Amazing! Look at that! This tool can be used to clean and maintain the surface of your home swimming pool. Built for real outdoor conditions, Poolstar Aquajack 900 features a durable, water-resistant body with IPX8 rated waterproof protection, ensuring safe, reliable operation even when fully submerged. Equipped with smart sonar navigation, Aquajack 900 scans the pool surface and moves intelligently, covering every corner without blind spots. Powered by solar energy, Aquajack 900 can operate for over 30 hours under sunlight, with flexible charging options to keep it running when needed. A large 10-liter filter basket combined with a 150-micron fine mesh captures leaves, insects, and fine debris, reducing manual cleaning and keeping water visibly cleaner. Designed for everyday convenience, Aquajack 900 is easy to assemble, remove, and rinse. Its quiet, eco-friendly operation makes it ideal for family pools and residential environments. While Aquajack 900 takes care of surface cleaning, families can focus on what matters most: relaxing, swimming, and enjoying the pool. Poolstar Aquajack 900, a smarter, cleaner, and more sustainable way to maintain your pool. Exclusive offer, limited time. Inquire now.